Welcome back. 7 corporate groups from India have started having fun in Goa with the launch of Goa Super Sixes Tennis Ball Cricket Championship. The first edition of this annual event kicked off at Taj Exotica Resort at Benauli on Friday.
The event is the brainchild of Persep Limited with their Vice Chairman and MD Harindra Singh at the center of the organizing team. 7 teams will contest for the glittering trophy with celebrities like Dilip Vengsagar, Sandeep Patil, Ajay Jadeja, Salil Lankola and boxing star Vijendra Singh amongst others forming a part of various teams. The unique corporate cricket tournament will be played in 2 formats, those being beach cricket and on the lawn. Former cricket stars Sandeep Patil and Dilip Vengsagar obliged the pressmen by answering some of their queries on the future of cricket.
Nobody imagined when Test cricket was launched. When Test cricket started 100 years back, nobody thought of one-day cricket. Then Kerry Packer, he started day and night cricket. Nobody even had thought of colored clothing and cricket being played under the lights. Then I think, of course, Singapore Sixes and all those formats were also tried. Double wicket, single wicket, and as long as people are going to enjoy, as long as cricketers are going to enjoy, as long as cricket is going to be played in right spirit, right manner, right rules, I don't think, whether it's 10-10, 20-20, 5-5, I don't know what lies after 10 years.
There has been a debate on the future of one-day cricket. What do you think? It will survive or it should undergo some change in the format?
It's very difficult for one-day game to survive now, to be honest with you, because it has passed the expiry period. When there was only Test cricket those days, I think one-day cricket got all the crowds. People thronged the stadium. They enjoyed every bit of it. But now T20 has come in.
Sachin had recently suggested that it should be split into 4 innings of 25 overs each. Do you like that suggestion?
I like the suggestion, but I would make it. I think I would improvise that. If you have first inning of 25 overs, the second inning should be 20 overs. That's what I feel. Because at 25 overs, 100 overs, there are too many. And second inning 20 overs is fair enough, but that will add to the excitement of the game, and people will again come back to the game. But having said that, I think T20 is here to stay, and Test cricket will be the ultimate cricket.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with reporter Samir Bhatt from Benaulim.
Goa's Ranji cricketer Robin D'Souza feels he performed below potential at the Moeen-ud-Daula tournament in Hyderabad. The all-rounder is now focusing on the upcoming Ranji season and raising his fitness level at the Goa Cricket Association's Indo Academy in Porvorim.
Robin D'Souza, one of Goa's senior-most cricketers, describes his performance at Hyderabad as average. The 26-year-old player believes in leaving the past behind and so is presently working hard ahead of the upcoming Ranji season. Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media before a light practice session at the GCA's Indo Academy, Robin evaluated his performance at the Moeen-ud-Daula tournament. How do you personally evaluate your performance in Hyderabad?
Average, actually. That's what I feel, because the potential I have is much more higher, and I do keep myself. I do set high standards for myself to do really well in whatever way I can contribute, and I think it was below par. So I should have done much better than what I basically did. So pretty disappointed, actually.
The Ranji season is around the corner. How have your personal preparations been ahead of the Ranji season?
Yeah, my personal preparation has been very good. I'm really working out on my fitness, and just looking forward to having a very good season ahead with the Goan Ranji team. That's what we did last season as well. We basically worked really hard on our fitness. So, results were there for everyone to see. We reached the semi-finals of our plate group, and it was quite unfortunate that we lost against a very renowned Bengal team. But we did give them a good fight. So, that was due to our fitness and good commitments by most of our players. Everyone, I must say, and that did help us to do really well. So this year again, we are working on our fitness.
How would you rank your fitness level?
I'm getting there. I'm actually working hard towards achieving the topmost level of my fitness. But I'm really training really very hard with the boys, and hopefully I should be more than 110% actually.
Our sports reporter from Porvorim, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
American Space Agency NASA on Friday evening bombed South Pole region of Moon in search of water. NASA's L-Cross mission took off from Cape Canaveral in Florida. Later, Centaur rocket carried by L-Cross blasted a hole in Moon. The blast was so powerful that it ejected huge debris on Moon's surface. Here is a computer graphic animation of how this blast looked like. With this, we take your leave for now. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care.
Five, four, three, two, one.